Hey everyone, this is Lucy, and in this video, I will show you how to restore and backup Telegram messages. So you need to know that first, to do this, you will need your desktop app. You can get it on your Microsoft Store or your official site of Telegram. You need to go to this Hamburg menu at the left top corner, click on it, and go to settings. So after that, you need to click on advanced in this new dialog box. Now, what you need to do is scroll down and click on export Telegram data. It will open up a new box. So here you need to check everything in your list and click on export. So it will take your 24 hours to export all of your data. So after you click on OK, then they will send you a confirmation saying that do you want to export your Telegram data, and you just need to click on allow, or you can click on decline if you want, if you change your mind. This message you can also confirm it from your mobile app. Just open Telegram and go to the Telegram message, and you can accept or decline. It's totally up to you. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll meet you guys in the next video.